Hello, in this video let's see how to install Ubuntu on Windows without installing VirtualBox or going ahead with dual boot. So for doing this, go to Start, search for Features, then click on Turn Windows Features on or off, let it load, then scroll down and check the option which says Windows Subsystem for Linux. Once you do that, click on OK. The system will search for required files on the internet. It will download and it will install. So here the updates have been installed. It is asking to restart, so you need to restart. Now the system is ready after update and installation of necessary dependency files. Now you need to go to store and then in search type Ubuntu and hit search. You'll see three options. The second two options are Ubuntu 20.04 which is long-term support, and Ubuntu 18.04 which is also long-term support. I suggest you to go ahead with 20.04 because it is the latest and will be supported for longer period of time than 18.04. So having said that, I'll click on it, and here you can see that the product page is open, and then I can click on install at the right top, right? So once I click on install, it will download all the necessary files. Now the product installation has been completed. Now you need to click on launch. You can launch from this button, or you can go to start and you can launch from this button as well. So let me just go ahead and click on that. So now installation is taking place. Let me just go ahead and enter the username. Once I do that, it will ask for my password. Now once I do that, the password has been successfully updated, and now everything is set up. Now I can use my system. As you can see, it is a fresh system. In this particular system, you can run some basic Ubuntu utilities such as bash, such as apt, such as git, such as ssh, and many more. Please note that this is not a graphical user interface. This is purely command line user interface, right? So you can run so many commands, right? Yes. So that's it from my side, guys. Thank you.